Alright guys, we got the hold a spin feature, 10 cent down, $5 bet. Got some good ones to start. Let's get a big one. Another $100. Yes. Yes. Keep them coming. Fill it up for 137. Come on, Major.
Don't be done.
Come on, keep it going. One more. Save it. Yes. Two more, baby.
Bottom left.
50. Do it. Let me get my very first fucking grand. My very first grand. Get it. Oh my god, that's still a really good number for $5. That's what's up. Heck to the yeah. Yeah, 540. All right, we'll come back. We'll get another one.